everyone, welcome back to another Kids Craft Corner with the Hocutt-Ellington Memorial Library. My name is Miss Laura and today we are creating a leaf man puppet. So in your craft kit that you picked up from the library, you have a craft stick, a clothespin, a pom-pom, and two googly eyes. So you are going to need a couple other things today. You're going to need some leaves. So you can go outside, go on a nature hunt. You're going to want to find two kind of bigger leaves and then two smaller leaves. And the other thing you'll need is some glue. I'd recommend either Elmer's white glue or a hot glue gun. Of course, if you're using a hot glue gun, probably want to ask an adult to help you out so you don't get any burns. All right, let's get started. So the first thing that we're going to do is to glue our smaller leaves on the bottom of our craft stick to be our leaf man's legs. So I'm going to take a little bit of glue. Carefully glue them to the craft stick. Alright, so there we have our leaf man's legs. The next thing that we're going to do is glue one of our larger leaves to the top of our stick to be our leaf man's body. Just like that. And finally, we're going to clip our clothespin onto our leaf man at the top of our craft stick. And we're going to glue our last leaf onto our clothespin. And I left a little bit of my clothespin still sticking out because the next thing we need to do is to glue our pom-pom onto our little piece of clothespin you can still see to be our nose. And then we're going to take our two googly eyes and glue them onto the head of our leaf man. There you have it, our leaf man craft stick. If you have a black permanent marker, you could also add a mouth or any other decorations that you want to your craft stick. So this is a great tool to use for acting out some fall themed stories. And of course, we would definitely recommend reading Leaf Man by Lois Ehlert to go with your Leaf Man puppet. Thanks for joining us for another Kids Craft Corner, and we will see you next week.